This is my first time with coming to a fashion show like this in Indianapolis, and I want to thank my great friend Bernie, the founder, the CEO of Car2 Wear, and he's a partner, and we are also a partner in this capacity. So it was a good time, and I enjoyed myself. And this is my first time, and it's definitely won't be the last time. And I hope to bring more people here too, more people to be aware of the great work that this Bernie, my good friend, is doing here in the city of Indianapolis. So it was a good time. I enjoyed the show. Now, to me, it's always good that representation, to be represented, to look good and to feel good. And in my line of work, you always got to represent with the best stuff. And Bernie has been my designer for some time now. And he does a great job. And this is why I'm here, honestly, to support him in what he does, to shed more light on the type of work that he does, because it reflects on who I am as a person too, and definitely our community. We're from the same community. So it's always good to not only support him and what he does, but also help, promote the beautiful work that he does in the fashion world. So I'm here and I'm all in. I'm definitely all in. And to me, it's great to come out here on a Sunday night. Anything, I could have been anywhere, but I chose to be here to represent and to be there for my guys. So Bernie, kudos to you and the entire team. And I look forward to next year.